Welcome to Langdon Building. We're in Ballarat today at the beautiful Charisma Display Home. We do things a little bit differently here at Langdon, and the Charisma is no exception to that. I can't wait to take you inside and show you the amazing resort style alfresco, the to die for pantry, and you're simply not going to believe this master suite. Come on in. Just imagine you get to wake up every morning and this is where you get to make your breakfast. Langdon understand everything you need to have a functioning kitchen. So everything's included right there in the base price. There's a bin in the drawer. Quality Weston House appliances as standard, which also includes a 900mm oven. Can you imagine preparing a meal for your family or entertaining for a group when this is at your disposal? I reckon I could get about 60 sausage rolls in there, no problem at all. We also have overhead joinery as standard, and we bulkhead it in when needed so that you don't have to worry about that dust settling on the top of your joinery. Now, if you're somebody that loves to entertain, but you don't want to be stuck in the kitchen all the time, feeling left out from the hustle of the entertaining happening outside, the Charisma's the house for you. These windows all open up, so you end up with a servery or a bar. So when the friends are outside and you're in cooking, you can still be part of the fun and the entertainment. Look at this walk-in pantry. I told you it was amazing, but I don't think you kind of really understood how big it was going to be. This space is big enough for the largest of fridges. Cold water behind the fridge, all standard. You've got lots of storage space and shelving here to put everything you need for your necessities and storage of a good quality larder or pantry. The window in the pantry is standard as well, which means that when you're standing here and you're making your coffee in the morning, it's not dull and dreary, it's bright and a great way to start your day. It's very easy with this pantry to convert this into a butler's pantry by adding some joinery and a sink. Now the Charisma display does have an upgraded kitchen. The upgrade in this kitchen is this bookshelf over here instead of just having joinery the whole way across in overhead cabinetry. It also has a stone bench top with a waterfall end, and it comes with this super cute little recipe holder or somewhere for you to put your ornaments. Now if you choose not to upgrade your kitchen, you still get the amazing features like pot drawers and soft close all as standard, but you'd have a laminate kitchen instead of the stone, and this wouldn't be here. Now this is an 8-seater table. This dining space is amply big enough for when the hustle and bustle of dinner is happening and the house is really busy at those meal times. It's set for 6, but you can see it would easily accommodate a larger table if you required it to. Now, let me take you out to our alfresco. This alfresco is amazing because it's a resort style alfresco. You'll notice it has absolutely no beams out there. It's cantilevered, which is kind of just a fancy engineering term. What it means, however, is you don't have to worry about people moving chairs and bumping into pillars and things like that. It's beautiful and open and gives you a really nice cozy feel while being open and spacious. Now the best thing about the Charisma alfresco is that you've got that great balance of indoor and outdoor. These huge sliding doors mean that your dining room comes straight out into your entertaining, and these amazing windows I was telling you about before mean that you can bring the kitchen into your alfresco as well. These open up and you've got a beautiful either servery or a bar space. And I just love the fact that you can sit here and order your wine. It means if you're the person that's inside, you don't feel like you're left behind during the entertaining and the process of having everybody over and into your space. Look at this. That's great. Can you just imagine sitting out here with your friends or your family and celebrating a milestone birthday, kids playing in the yard, adults mingling, eating canapes, and everything just being totally accessible through these amazing windows. I love the fact that the cantilevering means the space is open and really inviting, and downlights are standard in your entertainment area, so you have that really crisp and clean feeling as well. So I'm going to take you into the living spaces now. So when we're talking about livings, we're talking about living rooms, rumpus rooms, or family spaces. So we designed these to be really cozy and comfortable places where you can really relax and just be part of the family. They're designed with amazing designer range carpet, as well as a quality underlay, which means if you're a floor dweller or the kids, they can lounge around on the floor and it's really lovely. At Langdon, your windows come with all their soft furnishings in the way of a Holland blockout blind and fly screens as standard. In the Charisma, it's easy to get a nice cross flow if it's a beautiful day out and you don't want to run your standard cooling. You just open these two windows, you'll get a great cross breeze coming across here, which will give you a really nice fresh and airy feel here as well. We also include everything you need in your home here. So the aerial's already on the roof, it's already run to a plug, so you can come straight in, plug and play your television. So when you're unpacking your brand new house, you can entertain the kids straight away. Or if you want them to help, you might want to hide the remotes. Now, I alluded that the master bedroom was absolutely amazing in this house, so it's master suite time, come on in. The master suite has so much space in here. This space is big enough that you can put a king-size bed, as well as like a little parents' retreat area here with a nice book and somewhere quiet that you can read away from everybody. In the Charisma, the master suite is at the rear of the house as well, so it's away from all of the road noise. It's great for shift workers or people who like a quiet sanctuary for their room. Now, we've incorporated just some very basic landscaping in the paving setup here to give you a terrace style feel. So you can come out here in an evening, style it however you choose, but have that space where you can unwind before you go to your nest for the evening. Now, the part I've been so keen to show you is actually the walk-in robe. Looks pretty unassuming from here, but when you come in, you'll quickly see there's a his and a hers space. This is every girl's dream. There's a shoe rack the whole way down here in this center pillar, and I think it could easily accommodate maybe 40 pairs of shoes. So this robe is what little girls dream about when they grow up. On top of having the designated his and hers space, it also, with the upgraded robe, comes coloured with amazing drawers, as well as this awesome makeup station. So you could literally sit here in the morning and do your hair and makeup. It's a very affordable upgrade. If you decide not to upgrade your walk-in robe, it still comes as this amazing big size with hanging space and a towel box for him and a towel box on the other side for her, and this centre island is not there, so it's beautiful and open. I just love the luxury that comes into the bathrooms we do here at Langdon, especially when it comes to our en-suites. We've got amazing tiled shower bases, and we've also got an amazing range of designer tiles for you to choose from, so you can really add a touch of decadence to your own taste in the choices that you get just in our basic standard range. We also have beautiful joinery. So when it comes to our bathroom joinery, you have a choice between drawers as well as cupboards as standard. You can also have a floating vanity at no additional cost, or if you want the extra space, you can have ones that go all the way down to the floor. We've got a beautiful range of sinks and tapware in our designer range as well, so you can really customise this to what you want. You get your power point as well as a full-size mirror as well, and your heat lamps and exhaust fans are standard. So every home needs a utility space, somewhere to manage the dirty laundry. At Langdon, we've jam-packed our laundry full of amazing features to make this dirty job easier. Anywhere that has a linen press in your Langdon home comes with quick slide robes. So basically that means the doors open and close easily without the big ones that open this way, which just take up space. They come with 4 melamine shelves as well, and they're fixed melamine shelves, so they're strong and durable and ready for all of your press requirements. You have a nice deep sink as well. It's big enough to bath the family dog in if you need to, but a great size as well for soaking and doing your washing and things like that. You come with a laundry hamper as standard as well, so you don't have to worry that someone's going to knock over a laundry basket. Sliding exit going out to the home, and we even give you 5 square metres of space and concrete out there, so you're not hanging your washing out at your clothesline standing in the mud. Now, what I love about the Charisma floor plan is it just makes sense. Everything flows, there's no waste of space. Look, right here, there's another linen press. It's got the 4 shelves, you can store your photo albums or books or even board games in here. There's no space wasted. We're going to go into the guest bedrooms or the kids' bedrooms now. What I love about it is that growing up, every teenager wants their own ensuite. That's not always functional. However, what we've done here is we've put between his and her children's bedrooms a Jack and Jill style bathroom. What I also love about our bathrooms at Langdon, you had a full-size bathtub, not an itty-bitty one, so an actual adult can fit in there. It's fabulous style and a really nice luxurious feel. You also get an amazing quality mirror in here as well, and a decent sized shower for your teenagers. So when we're talking about children's spaces or guest rooms, you can see this room is amply big enough. It's currently styled with a single bed, but you could easily fit a double or even a queen in this bedroom if you needed to accommodate a teenager or perhaps a child going into university. I also love that our robes, while they have the quick slide, you're not utilising wasted space in opening cupboards up, but they also come with towel boxes because you really need them. So we give them to you as standard in your base price. Bedroom 3 is styled with a double bed, so you can really see the space that's available in here. You're not compromising on the function of a bedroom for your guests or for your children. Now on our way to bedroom 4, I'm going to show you one of the features that I love most about the Charisma. Imagine you're coming home from work, you've got your handbag, maybe some kids' school bags, a heavy coat because it's Ballarat after all. You can come straight in from this space and you've got a coats cupboard right here. You can drop everything there and there's no clutter going into your house. Have it all set up and organised, drop everything, grab the kids' school lunch boxes and head straight to put them away in the kitchen. Now bedroom 4 is separate a little bit from the rest of the bedrooms, and I love this feel because it means it feels like a really luxurious guest space. It's got great storage and functionality in the storage, as does the rest of the house in the Charisma. It's got the towel boxes and the quick slide robes as well. I really like the fact that it feels like a separate space. Now we're almost finished. I'm going to take you to the front living room now. I kind of bypassed this in my hurry to get to see that amazing kitchen. But what I love about this space is that you can set it up as a toy room for the kids if you want to, a teen retreat if you needed to. Alternatively, you can have it as a formal lounge space. You can set it up quite easily to have media just by adding a television as well, and it's a great size. So here we are back where we started, at the front of the Charisma. Now with Langdon you get a choice of 12 standard facades at no additional cost, including this amazing razor facade that was designed exclusively for the Charisma. Now thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you find this house as just beautiful and stylish as I do, and we can't wait to see you in one of our displays soon.